Welcome friends, this is Parag here from Perfect Consultancy. In today's video, we come up with the best ways to fill the talent gap in your organization. After COVID-19 and the lockdown conditions, now the recruitment process and the recruitment industry has seen a lot of changes. So first, let's understand what are the recruitment processes. In this process, we have to understand the future plans of the company and organization. Then we have to identify the talent need and talent gap in the organization vis-a-vis future plans. Then comes the designing the job description, then get the approvals of the same and set the closing target dates. Deciding on whether to hire the recruitment agency or rely on the in-house team. This is again a hilarious task. So basically this is the recruitment process what we follow. Once we decided on to go with the recruitment agency or the in-house team, the process goes further. So we'll see first how to decide with whether we should go with the recruitment agency or should rely on the in-house team. The recruitment agencies versus in-house hiring team. When it comes to fill the gap of a talent in the organization, companies need to take decision whether go with the in-house team or with the placement of the recruitment agency. Urgency, own bandwidth, budget, number of openings, frequency of openings are the few factors based on which the decision is being taken. The management has to consider the advantages and disadvantages of outsourcing placement agency or the recruitment agencies. Today we will evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of hiring the recruitment agency. Let's see advantages of hiring recruitment agencies. Recruitment agencies have wider and a deeper resource pool, which leads to a better talent sourcing. Recruitment agencies have domain expertise to search and source the specific talent required by the organization. Set processes and SOPs give the edge to the recruitment agency on quick hiring. Recruitment agencies could be helpful in forming the hiring strategies also. Helping in branding the company in a different way is added advantage of the recruitment agency. These are the few advantages of hiring the recruitment agency. Let's see other side of a coin, that is disadvantages of hiring the recruitment agencies. Less experience of agency can lead to time consuming process. Some agency would be expensive, may charge higher service charges. Selecting the right agency would be another hilarious task. Understanding the need of organization may vary based on the understanding of the recruiter. Cultural fit is another factor of dispute or discussion. When the recruiter in the company or in-house recruiter of the organizations would understand better in comparison to recruiter of recruitment agency, what exactly the cultural requirement or the cultural fit is perfect fit in cultural background of organization. Also, what are the skill sets are required, what are the job descriptions required, or what manager is required, all about the things. So these are the disadvantage with the recruitment agencies. So today we saw advantages and disadvantages of hiring the recruitment agencies. In next video we are coming up with the advantages and disadvantages to go with in-house recruitment team. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to get the regular updates on the recruitment agency, and to get the free ebook on how to select the right recruitment agency for your organization. Please reach us on the following coordinates. We are available on all the social media available on the internet. Thank you very much. This is Parag from Perfect Consultancy. Thank you very much, friends.